put out there, we did not use any Christmas lights. I had heard that Christmas lights were catching fire under that polyfil, so we did not use that.
Hi guys. My name is Lacostawhitehead and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys. So I tried the LED cloud light. So if you want to see and hear all about that, then just keep watching. Okay? So a little backstory. My daughter is 12. She'll be 13 in January. And she's one of those kids who really doesn't ask for much, so I wanted to do something special for her. I had been looking at the, cloud light on the ceiling for some time now, and I was like, I'll do that for her because, I asked her what she wanted for Christmas. She really didn't know. She already has everything, so she don't feel like, she's one of those kids. So I'm thankful for that. All right, so the products that you're gonna need is a staple gun, a box of polyfil or a bag of polyfil, poster board, Gorilla Glue, adhesive spray. You can use any kind of adhesive spray. It doesn't have to be Gorilla Glue. I got some LED lights from Amazon. I will try to link them below. So what I did was I started out with 4 poster boards, and I put you're also gonna need some Gorilla tape or any kind of tape that you can put on the back of the poster board. So I used the Gorilla Glue tape, and I put 4 pieces on each side of the poster board. I did 4 of those, and then once I did those 4, I realized that I had some area that was not covered. So then I went back through and I cut another piece of poster board into halves. Well, not halves, but fourths. So then I took those fourths and I covered up exposed parts of the ceiling. So with that, the poster boards do not have to be overlapping, because once you put the clouds up, the clouds will, cover up those parts that are peeking through the poster board, if that makes sense. So once I got done with that, I went through with my staple gun and I stapled the poster board to the ceiling to make sure that the weight of the LED lights and the clouds did not pull down the poster board from the ceiling. So that's what I'm doing here. And then next, we put up the LED lights. Now, I want to let you guys know that with the LED lights, to start at your power source and then go up the wall or however you want to go. The LED lights that I have the adhesive on the back, so that was enough adhesive for it to stick to the wall. But again, learn from my mistake, because what we ended up doing was we started on the poster board going around in a circle, and where we ended up at was like in the middle of the room, and that was not going to work. So I didn't want like lights just hanging down from the ceiling out of nowhere. So I ended up having to pull it back off of the poster board and start at the power source. I did not have any issues with it not sticking. It stuck again, so that was great for me. Okay, so as you can see, we did like a circle. It looks like it doesn't have to be perfect. The LED lights don't have to be perfect. It looks like it's a little skimpy. The light's a little skimpy, but you will see how the lights turn out at the end of this video, or when I show it. So it ended up turning out really, really well. Even though it looks like it's not enough lights, there was enough lights. Okay, so then we tested the lights to make sure that they were working. We plugged them up. The lights that I actually got was the Govee lights. I think Govee. And you can get them from Amazon. They come in all different prices, all different features, all that stuff. We did the Govee Pro, and we did the pack with the 2 LED bundles in it. She can change the lights with her phone. It comes with the app that you can download. It is speaker, like you can talk and the lights will change. So voice recognition. I think she could even pair it with Alexa if she had Alexa in her room. So the lights were like $70, but they are worth it. And like I said, I got them from Amazon. So next we went with our clouds, and what we did was we took the polyfil. I had a 10-pound box, you guys. I still had a good amount of polyfil left. I do plan to do my son's room too, but I still think that we may have some more cloud left. Like the polyfil 10-pound bag. Granted, I did not do her whole ceiling, okay? It was just like the middle of her ceiling, so it looked like one big old cloud. But that 10-pound box that I got, I still have a whole bunch left. So what we did was we did the polyfil, and then we took the Gorilla Glue adhesive spray. We sprayed the back and we stuck it up there. Let our hand step there for, a couple of seconds. Pull our hand down, and it stuck. So that's what we did to the whole ceiling. I also want to put out there, we did not use any Christmas lights. I had heard that Christmas lights were catching fire under that polyfil, so we did not use that. We used LED lights only, no Christmas lights. The light that we have in the middle of her room is her regular light, but inside of there, I put some LED lights as well. So she has no regular bulbs. She has LED lights all around, just to let you guys know, because some people saying that their stuff is catching on fire. I think because they're using either regular bulbs or Christmas bulbs. Christmas bulbs get hot, then you got that polyfil stuff, so I don't recommend it. LED lights is what I recommend. She has had those lights on for 4 days straight, and they're still cool. Okay, and I also keep an eye on that, and we don't leave her lights on if she leaves. With that being said, she hasn't left for 4 days, so the lights been on for 4 days. Okay. So I'm going to insert some videos of the lights, and that's it. So if you have any questions, leave me some questions down in the comments below. If you have not done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, what do you think about the lights? Let me know in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace out.